The Polsky Constructions Company borrowed $75,000 at 11.20% compounded quarterly to buy construction equipment. Payments of $3,500 are to be made at the end of every 3 months. How many payments are required? Construct a partial amortization schedule showing the details of the last 3 payments and the totals. Okay, here the amount of the loan borrowed is $75,000. The rate of interest is 11.20% compounded quarterly. In this example, we have the amount of each payment, the size of each payment. The size of each payment is $3,500. And we are looking for the total number of payments. How many payments are required? Okay, so I need to find n, total number of payments. Okay, you can see the steps to enter in the financial calculator to find n, but I can show you also on the calculator. So I need to set PY and CY. PY is the number of payments in 1 year. Payments are at the end of every 3 months. So in 1 year we have 4 payments. So 4, then enter. So is quarterly, so there is no need to change CY. We can quit. Second, quit. The rate of interest is 11.20. So 11.20 is IY. We are looking for N. Present value is $75,000. 75,000 is PV. 0 FV. The size of each payment is $3,500. $3,500. Positive, negative is PMT. Then compute N. So round the number to the next integer number. The next integer number after 33.18 will be 34. So the total number of payments is 34 payments. 34 payments of, 33 payments of $3,500 and the final payment. Okay, so N, total number of payment is 34. Then we need to construct a partial amortization schedule showing the details of the last 3 payments and the totals. Okay, so we need to open amortization worksheet, and by using that we can find the balance, interest and principal for the last 3 payments. Okay, so the amount of each payment is $3,500. So re-enter the rounded payment. Okay, the size of each payment is $3,500, so there is no need to rounding. So just 3,500. It's an integer number. Positive, negative, it's PNT. Then open amortization worksheet, second amortization. Okay, total number of payment is 34 payments. I need the details of the last 3 payments. Payment number 32, payment number 33, payment number 34. I need the interest, principal and unpaid balance for these 3 payments. Payment number 32, payment number 33 and payment number 34. Okay, so I need the unpaid balance for the payment number 31. Okay, so P1 is first 31. Then enter, again go down. P2 also is 31. Then enter, go down. You can see the unpaid balance for payment number 31st. Okay, it's unpaid balance. Round to the nearest cent. $7,305.39. Okay, so unpaid balance after payment number 31st is $7,305.39. Okay, by using the financial calculator by amortization function, I can find the amount of interest, the principal repaid, and balance for the other payments, for the last repayments. So the next payment is payment number 32. So P1 is 32, then enter, go down. P2 also is 32, then enter, again go down. You can see the unpaid balance for the payment number 32. It's $4,009.95 after rounding. Go down again. The principal repaid is $3,295.45 after rounding. And again go down. You can see the amount of interest for the payment number 32. It's $204.55. And the amount of each payment is $3,500. For the next payment, payment number 33. So P1 is 33, enter, go down. P2 also is 33, enter, again go down. You can see the unpaid balance $622.22. Again go down. The principal repaid by this payment is $3,387.72, and the amount of interest for this payment is $112.28, round to nearest cents. Okay, for the last payment, I won't use a financial calculator. I won't use the amortization function. So, because if I use amortization function, the balance won't be zero. So to have a zero balance after the last payment, payment number 34, I use formula, okay, to find the amount of interest and the amount of last payment. Okay, first, I need the unpaid balance before the last payment. Before the last payment, the unpaid is $622.22. If I multiply the unpaid balance with I, periodic rate of interest, I can find the amount of interest for the last payment. Okay, so I need to calculate I. The given rate in the problem is 11.20. Okay, so 11.20 is J. It's in the percent form. Just divide this number by 4. Looking for I, periodic rate. Divide 11.2 by 4. It's 2.8%. It's periodic rate 2.8%. It's in the percent form. To convert that to the decimal form, divide 2.8 by 100. Then now I have the periodic rate, or I, and it's 0.028. Okay. So if I multiply I by the unpaid balance before the last payment, it's I. On the calculator, I have I. I'll multiply 0.028 by the unpaid balance before the last payment, 622.22. So I have the amount of interest for the last payment, $17.42. It's the interest for the last payment. So if I add the rounded interest to the unpaid balance, I have the last payment. Okay, so The amount of interest for the last payment is 17.42. So I'll add the amount of interest for the last payment to the unpaid balance before the last payment. The unpaid balance before the last payment is 622.22. So now I have the last payment, the size of last payment. The size of last payment will be $639.64. And the principal repaid by the last payment is unpaid balance $622.22. And in this case, we have zero balance at the end. To find totals, just I need the amount of each payment, the amount of payments for the payment number 1 till payment number 33 is 35,000. Sorry, the amount of each payment is $3,500. For the payments number 1 until payment number 33, okay? So I have 33 payments of $3,500. If I multiply $3,500 by 33, okay, it's the total amount paid by payments number 1 to payment number 33, okay? And then I need to add this number to the last payment. The last payment is $639.64. Okay, so it's the total amount paid. Total amount paid. Okay, so it's $116,139.64. To find total interest paid, I can use the amortization function, okay? So second amortization, P1 is 1, then enter, go down, P2 is 34, the last payment, then enter, again go down, find interest. The total interest paid is this number. It's 41,139.65 after rounding. Okay, and the total principal repaid is the amount of loan, $75,000.